We started the business with my father and I back in 1985 in the basement of my parents' home. My father was an engineer who worked for the utility companies up until we started this business, so he understood the utility mindset, and it was very easy for him to get our systems to be accepted by the utility companies.
CHP, or combined heat and power, goes by a bunch of different names, but all it means is that you're getting two forms of energy from one fuel source.
How we cogenerate energy is we take natural gas into an engine, and the engine drives a generator, making electricity in parallel with the grid, while at the same time we recover heat off the engine and use that heat to make heat and hot water in a commercial building.
The advantage of CHP is you're taking one fuel, natural gas, and you're creating electricity and heat at the same time.
What we found, and this is not from Aegis, but really from the EPA, is that any addition of combined heat and power to a building is going to reduce your greenhouse gases by about 50%.
CHP is more than just energy savings. There's also a resiliency aspect to it. So our equipment can be used when your building loses power to power lights, elevators, boilers, water pumps, so that if you're in an emergency situation, you no longer have to be without electricity and heat and flowing water inside your building. So on a 24/7 basis, while the grid's up and running, you're saving money and you're reducing your carbon footprint. In an emergency mode, our system will switch off the grid and then provide your building with emergency backup loads.
One of the myths with CHP is that you need to be a large consumer of energy, but with modular CHP, we are able to bring this solution to small commercial customers.
There's a lot of great applications for CHP. So multifamily housing, condos, co-ops, hotels are a great application for CHP. Schools. Anytime you have a large need and consistent need for heat along with electricity, you're a fantastic application for CHP.
The Aegis advantage is really handling everything here in-house. We handle everything from engineering, installation, service, maintenance, and monitoring.
We have a core group of individuals here at Aegis who have been with this organization for several years, and as a result of that, they know all aspects of the business. They're just not responsible for their own silos, they are responsible for all aspects of the business and understanding what the customer needs are.
We'll have a project manager that's specific to a project that's handling everything from the contract level over to installation as far as permitting is concerned. Any applications we also handle in-house. And then once the system is off and commissioned, we're also maintaining and monitoring that system remotely 24/7. So our service team is then making sure that system operates the way we said it would from day one.
The long-term benefit that our customers get from CHP is they have a stress-free, worry-free investment that saves them money year over year. The typical return on investment for an Aegis customer is over 25%. When you think about today's market where it's difficult to get a safe 2 to 3% return, it makes a lot of sense to invest money in your own building where you can get a 25% plus return for over 20 years.
The future of Aegis, I think it's a bright one. We've just brought on a new product line handling more micro CHP, being able to broaden our horizons with the type of customers that we can reach out to.
The long-range growth potential for CHP is fantastic. Solar, wind, or batteries on their own do not provide a fully integrated green solution. CHP is power on demand because you have natural gas at your building. So if you have a day that you have no sun shining or the wind's not blowing, you can always provide power through CHP, so it's a complementary product in the green solution. If you feel that CHP is a fit for your building, please reach out to Aegis and we'll begin the evaluation process on your building. We'll evaluate the area you're doing business in and what incentives or grants apply to you. We'll help you fill out those applications and make sure you secure the most money available. We'll do the full analysis of your building and the site tour. And then we're going to design a system that best fits your needs and delivers the most savings possible.